arrived in Uligan, one of the most northern islands in Maldives.
Oh, we're checking in the Maldives. Thank you. Bye-bye. And just like that, they're off.
Look at all that fish. And we are going snorkeling. We couldn't wait to jump in this water after a long trip crossing Indian Ocean, and that's what we did. Later that day, there was a barbecue offered by locals. Also, we were not disappointed as all the yachties were there as well. It is local traditional food offered for us for $20 per person. Delicious! And during the crossing, spending nearly 2 weeks, just two of us, we really missed the company. Next morning, we took off to explore the local town Uligan. There wasn't much to see, but it still was quite interesting.
So they build these houses out of coral.
See what is written on above the window. Come closer to me.
Ghost City. It's like I'm in a cartoon. That vision of somebody riding that bike just like that in this area.
It was time for us to refuel, and it was very convenient to get it delivered right to the boat.
So now we're full on fuel, and we've got 20, 40, 60 on the side in the tank. So we've got 660 liters of fuel to get us through the Maldives before we take off.
Okay, now what do you say about the price? Was it expensive, considering the delivery?
Considering the delivery, it's fair.
We are extremely lucky, as very first Maldives Rally is about to start, and we decided to join it. Are you signing up?
There was one king 700 years ago. We were under the protectorate of Portuguese. So he saved us, and his name is Muhammad Takurfan, and he is the only king that was conferred with the title Sawaji. And he was a sailor before becoming a king.
Wow!
So everything we have joined beautifully. So this trip is a tribute to him. So the literal meaning is the great journey. So you are embarking into the great journey of the Maldives.
The first great journey.
The very first great journey, yes.
And the very next day, early morning, there are the boats to pick us up and take us to the official opening of the Maldives Rally. So we're gonna go with a police boat. That was our ride. And look how pretty. Those are so cool.
They're treating us right around here.
And we are in Horafushi. Along the stage, people were showcasing the ways how they do the traditional works. They used to do that in the past and up to this day. Every gathering is opened by citation of Quran.
Our journey begins from the pages of history unwritten, where Maldives is a chain of 1,200 scattered islands.
We had a full agenda of dances and other information, meeting the officials, and later on we took off to plant some trees next to the airport. Good job. You are such a natural. Later on, we stopped at the island school. And back at the beach, there's more games and time to relax and rest.
Oh, you found our place. That's awesome.
After rowing competition, we are all taken to the big fishing ship, and we will be taking off to catch some fish. Fishing time. Which seemed it's gonna be pretty easy, as the waters were literally boiling with the fish. After a successful fishing trip, we are back to the beach, which looks amazing. Again, a program and delicious foods are prepared just for us. All these lobsters. Wow. Look at that lobster I've got. Shows kept continuing, and it was more than I expected, if I may say so, but it was absolutely fabulous. That actually grew into the whole party. While we were having fun, locals were just standing at the edges of all the party, and it was kind of sad because even after inviting, they still remained there. Next day, next islands and other program. This day, we're visiting the island where they have a very special tomb.
So this is one of the famous historical place in North Tiladumati Atoll.
Long time ago, a box was found on the sandy shores of this island. After opening it, human remains were found, and the shrine was built for it. For a long time, it was considered as a holy place where people would arrive with hopes to heal. And our next destination? A beach, and also a place to snorkel.
How is that stuff?
I don't know what they do with those coconuts, but they are so delicious. I can get used to that. Wherever you come to any inhabited island, any island, there is umbrella, chairs, coconut, towels, white towels. And those cold, they sometimes have those white cold ones for, oh.
What do you guys think about that?
I'm already used to it. This is the life.
Actually, this is a handwritten or the Noble Quran book. Someone has written by hand and gifted to the Muslims.
So they would be copied in a screw, out in a screw.
You look very handsome. Hello there. Mister, did you find the spot? Come on over. We also were taken to the place where the ships are built.
So it takes 2 years to build a boat, and they use the same mold.
And then again, local school and local craftsmanship places. Anywhere we went, we were so welcome. People were very generous and happy to see us. Finally, in our rally, we get to start our boat.
We got 2 boats already moving.
Are you in trouble again?
I don't think so.
So why the Coast Guard is following you?
I guess I'm in last place.
That is close to the reef.
Yeah, it looks pretty close.
Following day, I had to catch up on the videos and I stayed on a boat.
Take care of Aquarius.
I will. Meanwhile, I was staying on the boat. The locals and rally organizers came over with more fish. They already cleaned it for me. I was waiting for delivery, and look what I got. And if tuna wasn't enough, they also brought us an octopus. That was so amazing. A week packed of activities, culture, and generous people. And there is more to come.